See what you got me?
He got for a price on love.
Merry Christmas!
Hello, good morning. I'm just getting ready. I have 10 minutes to pick up Lily from school and then diretso ako pick up kay Aiden sa kanyang therapy. Usually yung therapy niya hapon or afternoon pahapon, but today pinamove ko ng morning. Kasi dahil nga sa performance na to, ayoko naman ma-miss niya yung kanyang therapy. So, susundin natin siya after ni Lily. And then, we have, 2 hours to maybe have lunch and then bago kami pumunta doon sa school kung saan siya magpa-perform. Sobrang medyo mahigpit lang yung ating schedule today, but super excited ako kasi first time na, well, this is not the first time na perform siya kasi diba they had a gym demo, nagsayaw sila sa gym demo nila, but yung itong performance na nasa theater sila, nasa stage, tapos manonood kami first time, so talagang super excited. I have to talk to him pa kasi si Aiden, yan siya, natutuwa ako sa kanya kasi di ba yung mga unang performance niya, hindi ako nag-expect masyado kasi nga madalas maingay, maraming tao, ganyan. So, iniisip ko na magta-tantrums, magtatakat ng tenga, uupo, ganon. So, yun yung expectations ko sa kanya. But I realized na with Aiden, pag kinausap mo siya, ito yung gagawin mo ahead of time. You're gonna dance, you're not gonna sit down and lay down on the floor. You're gonna stand up, dance, use your hands to move, to dance, use your legs and your feet to dance. Kapag nasabihan ko na siya ahead of time, ginagawa naman niya. Pero usually lang may kapalit, which is books. And I don't mind naman. So, sakto din may malapit doon na bookstore. So, gabribe ko siya mamaya. Sabihin ko, if you want to go to the bookstore and buy a book, magda-dance ka. So, ayun, excited ako. Kasi diba, yung mga kasi diba, when Lily was in KG1 and KG2, meron silang concert sa Dubai na tinatawag, parang concert-concertan ng per section yung performance. Tapos, lagi siyang may nasa gitna siya, or may pasolo siya, o siya yung nagbasa ng the whole storyline, ganon. So, mega performance si ate. Si Aiden naman, we're not expecting anything na malaki sa kanya. Kumbaga, small wins sa amin yung tatayo siya sa stage and hindi siya iiyak and ganon. So, happy na kami doon. I'm so excited to see how it's all gonna turn out. I need to buy memory card para dito sa camera na to. This is the camera that I use for family videos. Lalo na yung yung mga performance ni Lily, ganyan, sa school. Ito yung ginagamit ko kasi parang yung makaluma yung kuha niya. So, pag nakita niyo na parang medyo malabo yung kuha or parang makaluma, it's because of this. And sinasadya ko siya kasi gustong-gusto ko yung effect niya sa video. So, we'll be using that. Kaya lang wala na to siyang memory card. Kasi di ko mahanap yung charger. Buti may battery pa. May laman pa yung, may yung battery niya. So, isi-save natin yan for that specific performance. So, kailangan natin na yung bumili ng SD card. Anyway, yung hair ko, nag-gel ako ng buhok. So, medyo matigas siya. I-shake ko na siya. And now we're gonna go na. Kasi we have 7 minutes na lang to pick up ate. Hindi pa ako nakabihis. Bihis na me. Ayan. Let's go na. Sana hindi malukot yung pa-outfit natin. At aura pa tayo sa So, problem. Ayan. So, natanggal yung mga nails ko when I was assembling yung beds ng kids. They've got a bunk bed na because yung kanilang bed is medyo lumulundo na. Getting a bunk bed is a great idea for both of them kasi they love snuggling. Pag nakatulog na sila, nagyayakap yan dalawang magkapatid. And I have no problem with that, apart from when one of them is sick, the other one doesn't want to sleep on my room or a different room. They still want to sleep in the same room. So pag may sakit yung isa, nahahawa yung isa. So with a bunk bed, at least the other one can rest and the other one can, at least we can try to keep them, you know, away from sa sakit na nung isa. So yun yung naisip ko rin na maganda rin na may bunk bed, at least hindi sila magkakahawaan. Ganon. But yeah, I'm not yet finished dun sa room nila. Meron pa akong parating na bed sheets or duvet cover for Lily. Kasi parang tinitingnan niya yung duvet cover ni Aiden, nakukitan siya, and si Lily naman guys, she's not hindi yan siya materialistic na tao, hindi yan siya matampuhin, hindi yan siya selosa, hindi yan siya naiinggit, hindi siya ganun. As in parang wala pa akong experience na nainggit siya or nagselos siya. So, pero ako as a middle child, parang, you know, parang gusto kong fair silang dalawa. So, si Aiden may bagong pillowcase and bedsheet cover, which is, ano siya, nasa safari, yung effect. Kasi Lily, nung nakita niya yung pillowcase at saka yung bedsheet cover, sabi niya, oh, is this for me or for Aiden? Sabi ko, for Aiden. Sabi niya, oh, it's so nice. Ganun siya. Tapos parang titignan ko lang siya. Tapos parang ako yung nasasad na, hala, dapat pareho ko pala silang binilhan. Kasi para fair ba? So, ang mommy naman, sabi ko sa kanya, sit down here, do you wanna choose a bedsheet and pillowcase? Sabi sa kanya, yeah, gumanon siya. So, hindi siya nag-hesitate na mag-yes. Tapos, at the same time din kasi, si Aiden sa bunk niya sa baba, may lamp kaming inattach. Si Lily sa taas, madilim kasi walang lamp. So, sabi ko, hindi rin fair na walang lamp. So, pinapili ko rin siya ng lamp niya. And she chose parang a cloud lamp kasi daw nasa taas siya. So, para talagang feel niya na nasa taas siya. Ayun. So, parating na rin yun from IKEA. Hindi na ako nagpa-truck delivery kasi mas mahal. Pina-parcel ko na lang siya since maliit lang naman yung in-order ko online. Ano pa ba? So, yun. So, yun yung magiging yung theme nila sa kanilang bedroom. Parang safari. Tapos nagpa-add lang si Lily ng parang decoration. Parang mga stickers sa cabinet, ganyan. Mga animals. So, it will look so cute. Alam ko na, nararamdaman ko na.
We're here.
What's happening?
Aiden's gonna do his performance. A Christmas carol. But in here it says Little Voices of Joy.
Oh, wow.
Wow naman. Nice title.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is where there was teacher's icon. There was a lot of songs here.
This is where you had your, when you got your medal.
Now officially begin our program to listen to the sweetest music of all, the joyful voices of our children. So everybody, let's sit back, smile, and let these little voices of joy fill our hearts with the wonder of Christmas. Once again, let's give a round of applause to pre-K.
Thank you.
Teacher Bong. I am currently super late, but better than ever, putting up our Christmas tree. So medyo, yung Christmas tree natin manipis siya because this is our Christmas tree from last year pa. And diba we have a very small space before. We didn't have enough space before, so yung binili ko talagang Christmas tree. Mommy, so we have to put the Christmas light first. And then, the ribbon before the ornaments. So, yun talaga yung usually sinusunod ko. I don't know if everybody else does that. So, this is my favorite part of decorating the Christmas tree. Is yung paglagay mo. Kasi this is taking so much space sa Christmas tree mo. So, kahit konti lang ornaments mo, malaki na yung space na nakukuha niya. And then you'll gather them like this. Tapos, ipipin mo siya ng fold dun sa dulo ng branch. Ayan. So, ganun ulit. Kuha ka ng malapad na part. Gather. Ready for the Christmas lights?
Yes.
Ready, steady. Go! Wow! You like it? Don't touch the elves. Ganda! Ta-da! And that's how you decorate a Christmas tree. The end. So cute. And can you put your presents now?
Don't say that.
Sorry.
Bawal!
Bawal. Ano yun?
Bawal!
Bawal.
Sumimangot!
Okay. Merry Christmas, everyone. Whoever, I'm the little elf. Kunwari hindi ka pala.
Grandma.
Alam mo na ba?
It's my present. Yay! It's present time.
No, only for adult. For you tomorrow pa. With we wait for Santa. Yay!
Thank you! Kailangan magsisay thank you, ah!
Wow.
This one!
It's for Mama.
Uy, di alata yan.
Talaga-lata!
Kailan tayo, guys?
Sana daw kiss na lang. At least hindi mo sinabi sana pero
For disguises.
wala puro sa babang na eh. What is that? Wala. Meron yung pangulam. Kasama yan.
Kaya na to, be. Paborito, ah.
Meron pa yan!
Kala ko na.
Alam ko pa ito eh.
Yay!
Ang galing pagkabalan. Ano sasabihin?
Thank you.
Bawal.
Well, what's inside?
What's inside? Nanginginig ka pa. What?
Why is it not working?
Oh, what do you say? What do you say?
Teaching Allah.
Oh, what do you say to auntie? What do you say to auntie?
Oh, what do you
Maya,
say to
what do you say to auntie?
Okay.
Ay,
Ano tignan si Ate?
hug mo na!
I don't know what is your favorite language.
Naging host.
Simula
Okay,
na siya.
next!
Okay, Lily. It was you win.
Okay,
Love
guys.
Lily.
Guys.
Siya pumili niya, may picture pa siya.
Okay, I'm preparing.
Inside.
Start first with this one.
Yung trivia na yung isa.
It's red.
Thank you, Lily. Ano ako dito? Sweet 16.
I chose it myself.
Thank you, my
Okay! A very special gift for a very special girl, Sassy.
Thank you.
Look, Mommy.
Ay, pa dito.
Ano sasabihin? Ano sasabihin?
Thank you.
Explanation to. Kinukuha niya sa makeup ko para
bato niyo yung camera para kapag makeup. O ngayon, dalawa.
Meron ka na sa taas, meron ka rin sa baba.
Thank you! Ano ka namin sila ba yan? Talo yung pagkama ko. Okay, next! Jetpack.
Ang dong-dong, sabay-sabay kailangan kayo ha, dong-dong. Malapit ka dito. Baka mabigla ka. Ano to, brief?
Wala na akong pag-
Same color.
Ngayon, buksan niyo kay ate.
Baka magkapalit-palit kami.
Yay, next!
Thank you, guys.
For Lily.
Let's go. Thank you. Guys, sabay. Guys, sabay. Wait. On my go. Open the gift when I say go. Ready?
Okay.
And set, go!
That's for Malti.
How about this?
Advokat eh.
Ay, sobrang
Sakto, galing.
Ganda.
Yes.
Pwede mo mga
Can you read it? Can you read it?
I think that's a good time, but
madapa kayo na. That was mommy side. Sino ba?
yeah, mom is right.
Okay.
Aray ko naman.
Okay, mama.
Ang balo na.
Nagtinapayan mo pati. Dagdag talaga yung bata dyan, oh. Wow! Another side.
Wow! Wala ko may kape din eh.
Wala kang ilaw.
Yay! Thank you!
For the parents. For the Bill, Charlie, Lily, and Eden. Kunwari hindi kami, kunwari bati kami, kanya ang bati. Pang-walking nyo.
From Uncle Jerry to Mama and Tito.
Thank you, Nak. Merry Christmas. To Sassy from Mama.
Wow! Dum, dum, dum.
Ay, kasha. Kagaya ng kulay ng sayo.
And you remember like it? I told that to them.
Nasaan na?
Thank you, Bob!
Look, it looks like
Ah, ito pala.
Sana pinero na lang, but sorry, pinera namin for my pamangkin.
Gary, Mama, Jessie, ito, bakit gusto mo? Teka, hindi siya pamasto kasi bawas utang.
Bayan! Ay, yung mga hindi abutin, Gcash na lang ha.
Okay,
God bless!
Thank you! Ay, meron ako! Yay! Thank you! Nakakag-aabang ay meron na pala ako. Sa akin pala, Gcash ko pa pala.
Okay, Gcash na lang! Walang ampaw yan!
Hi guys, the gift is here from Santa. And also the cookies and milk. Today is Christmas. Today is Christmas.
Mommy is the elf. Should we get gifts? Should we open gifts from Santa first or from Mommy and Daddy first?
Santa.
From Santa?
For me.
Okay, open one. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Wow! Neat. Yay! Okay. Next is Lily.
I open this. Ooh. It's a what?
sabay ah. Oh. What's that? What's that? Uy! Wow! So you asked for?
Yes.
Ano ba yun? Mga sapatos na nire-request nila? Yeah, she's too. Wow.
Let me see.
Nanginginig.
Wow.
It's a...
Your forest, did you ask for that one?
Thank you, Santa.
Oh, baby, you're so sweet. Next, Ate Sefi.
What? Again?
Oh,
Yan.
From Tita Emino Perry.
What's the third?
Okay, next. Oh, to Aiden from Mommy and Daddy.
Again? It's a floating for swimming like this.
It's a big boy float. Are you a big boy or a baby?
Big boy.
Wow. Okay, next. Okay, now Lily from Aiden.
Oh, it's the same.
You get the same one. Yes. What is it to Aiden?
Thank you, Hayden.
Sino nakasunod Ate Sefi? Ay, Aiden. Aiden, you wanna open your gift from Ate Sefi? What do you say to Ate Sefi? Oh, give a hug. Give a hug. Oh. Oh, Ate Sefi, regalo ni Ate Sefi kay Lily. Wow.
Hairbrush and mirror. Oh, squishy, you told me. Hair tie. That's so cute.
So, ready naman. Dami mong gift.
And double drink cup.
Wow. What do you say?
Thank you.
Okay, this one is for Ate Steffi.
Yeah.
Again. And Lily.
This is for Mom and Daddy and Eden. Oh, it's a shoe.
Kasi gusto niya daw ma-prank mo.
You want to try football, right? Touch shoes.
Oh, Aiden, read this first aloud. Go. 4.
For a big boy like my dear mom and daddy.
Ano ba yan? Bigyan sa akin, Achille. Kasi nung nakita niya to, sabi ko pang baby na yun. Ay, kapagtaan siya. It's for big boy. I'm a big boy, sabi niya.
What is an animal sound?
What's that?
Animal.
Is it for baby?
No!
It's for?
Big boys. Run!
Yay! Bakit? Sobrang. Tapos biglang, ay, dali na. Ano na, all done na. Come and hug mommy muna. And say thank you.
I want on the moon.
This one is for,
Aiden.
because you are a
Big boy.
wow.
To more trips together as family this 2026. Love, Mommy and Daddy.
What is that?
It's so bomb. 20 fat box with charm inside.
Yes, you can open it in the hotel. This is for Ate Sefi. Alam ko wala ng presents of ani. You're welcome.
Hello, Silip.
You're welcome. Para sa dalaga ko. Lip gloss. Okay, and that's it ba, everyone?
Look, I got them.
What's that?
100 animals.
4?
4
Big.
heroes.
Huh?
4 big boys.
4 big
And
boys.
this one is for big boys too.
For big boys too. What else did you get?
Your forest.
Wow, your forest. How about you? What did you get?
I got diary with stickers, and it also comes with this pen to keep it secret. There's a marker that when you use the blue light,
You like your secrets, don't you, Lils?
She does. Look.
Merry
Let me show
Christmas.
Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Whoa.
It's a secret. It's a secret pen. What else did you guys get? Oh, Ate Sefi got shoes from Santa.
Really?
Wow, look at that. Oh, no more. Look, oh.
They're nice, aren't they?
Very nice, yeah.
And Daddy, Dong Dong got me this for Christmas. Look.
What is it? Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, I always wanted this, but I didn't say.
Oh, okay.
But Dong Dong knows, no? Wow.
Yeah.
Sa'yo mo naman.
Did you get any money for Daddy's bank?
Did you get money from your uncles?
Oh, Daddy's bank, huh?
Not for your bank.
Yeah, I know that we Scrooge.
Something like that. It's so cute. So, yeah.
You didn't have to. Phil. Gosh. So sweet naman you. What did you get me ba from here? Okay, is this to measure my ring size? Let's see what you got me. Phil! Phil, you didn't have to give me this. Let's open. Phil! I'm very happy, Phil. How much did you buy this? Gosh. Phil? Really?
You can't put a price on love.
You can't put price on love.
Phil? Let me see, Phil. Oh, huh? They're nice. You're very good at picking gift naman. Wow. You know me very well. Oh my God. Oh my God, you know me very well. So when are you gonna pay it back? Today, ha? Sabi mo, ha? Wala akong pera. Ha? Sabi mo, ha? Ganda naman, Phil. Maganda naman yung mukha ko.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.